Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up an account with Fidelity, a full guide. First, you will need to choose the right account type for your financial aspirations. Fidelity provides a wide range of options, such as individual brokerage accounts, various retirement plans like IRAs, and even college savings plans. It is important to consider your investment horizon and personal risk tolerance to select the best fit for your financial journey. This initial step is crucial for a successful start. To proceed with your application, you will need to gather some essential personal information. This includes your Social Security number or tax identification number for verification purposes. If you are currently employed, have your employer's name and address readily available. Additionally, prepare your bank account details, including the routing and account numbers, as this will be necessary for funding your new Fidelity account efficiently and securely. Having these items prepared will streamline the process. Once your account is open, the next step is to fund it. You can easily link your external bank account for convenient electronic funds transfers, which typically take 1 to 3 business days to process. Alternatively, you have the option to deposit funds via a physical check or a wire transfer for larger amounts. Many investors find it beneficial to set up recurring contributions, perhaps $50 or $100 monthly, to consistently build their investments over time without extra effort. After your account is funded, you can begin exploring Fidelity's robust platform. Take advantage of their extensive research tools, which offer valuable insights to inform your investment decisions across various asset classes. Access a wealth of educational content, including articles and webinars, to continuously enhance your financial knowledge. Remember to monitor your portfolio performance regularly through the user-friendly platform, allowing you to track your progress and make informed adjustments as needed. This empowers you to manage your financial future effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.